Okay, everybody, today we're doing an unboxing, and Minnie's anxious, ain't you, Minnie? This is the Gootium canvas rucksack that I ordered, and I picked this up because I thought it would end up being a quick, cheap option compared to a lot of the bushcraft packs and stuff that are on the market. And I'm going to take a look at it and give the first impressions on it. Okay, there we are. Gootium. It's supposed to be a heavy canvas pack. Heavy canvas rucksack, an army green, they say. And this is supposed to be the large. Now apparently they have two different sizes, and this one is supposed to be the large. Okay. And you know, it's not a huge bag, but and a lot of people, I heard them complain about these snaps. You know, that I'm sure could be remedied easy enough by sewing this section onto here. Then you could just use the buckles. But if the snaps hold good, that just allows quick access to your bag. See how far this opens up. This opens up pretty nice. And yeah, as you can see, I've got my arm down in it here. There's quite a bit of room for stuff. This, I think, there's a little pocket, zip pocket on the inside. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it feels to be pretty good quality, guys. Buckles feel nice. I wanted something kind of simple. It's got the same kind of latches on the pockets here. It's got 3 pockets, one on each side and one in the middle, and they're pretty good sized pockets. Not sure if my bushcraft grill would maybe fit into one of them or not. Yeah, that might be a good option for, if you're looking for something, a bag to use, a rucksack for your outdoor adventures, your bushcrafting, your hiking to the woods kit. It's got a grab handle. I've said before, a grab handle is an important part to have on a bag. If you wanted to use this as a go bag, it'd be nice, be pretty inconspicuous. A lot of people are into the gray man techniques, and that wouldn't stand out as bad as a tactical bag. The straps on it are good and wide and kind of padded, and they seem to be attached nicely. I've read comments that people have had this bag for years and still have it, and they've traveled all over the place. One option for this would be to wax it, and that may be a future project we do here is making wax canvas, and we may wax this bag to waterproof it. But yeah, I think it'll do nicely. This leaves my my SOG bag for more of a tactical type, and this is more of actually a medium-sized bag, if you ask me. But it's supposed to be the large. So, seemed to be a good deal. I know you can get these through my Amazon store if you're using my Amazon links if you're interested. But yeah, that's pretty nice. I'll do a video here before long of me loading it. I'm trying to separate my kits right now, so yeah, that would be a good video, and I think this is going to be a really good bag. It seems really sturdy, the stitching. As you can see there, double stitch there, double stitching around the top, around the, yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, so I'll try and get back to you with setting up this kit, and you'll get to see the setup of a go bag or bushcraft bag, camping bag, hiking bag, right from the get-go, and what I put in it, and what would be a good base for you to start with as well. Alright guys, until next time, remember to keep your head on a swivel, practice whatever you want to be good at, and question everything.